What happened, Mu Ying?
Wolf, Zev, do you recognize these traces?
They look like they were left by arc energy.
Recently, several barriers have been destroyed like this. This could spell danger for Jiangshi Metro.
I'll go investigate.
Do you think the Fallen did this?
Wouldn't put it past them.
This should be it. Not much time has passed since these barricades were destroyed. The energy is still active in these traces left behind. If we follow the trail they left, we should be able to find our culprit.
Then let's get moving.
How strange. We haven't seen even a single Fallen.
Where are they?
Oh, look at the ground. There are drag marks.
I guess someone was moving something? Is this a question mark?
A whole bunch of fallen corpses were moved here. But why? Only one way to find out. Let's have a look downstairs. Uh-oh, we've got company. Were they drawn here too?
There are lots of non-fatal wounds on these Fallen. Someone tortured them, then dragged the bodies here? Why would they do that?
Wolf, you should take a look at this. These traces, their energy readings are much stronger. This energy, it's light.
So we're dealing with a Lightbearer?
Very likely.
Can you trace the source?
Yep, I'm picking up similar energy fluctuations nearby.
Then let's see where they lead.
Watch out! This should be the guy we've been looking for.
Hey, can you explain? A doppelganger?
Behind you!
Stand still!
Ning Fei, are you insane? This is a Lightbearer. I'm so sorry. Sometimes he gets a little out of control.
I'll spare you this time.
My apologies. I'm Claudia, and this is my Lightbearer, Ning Fei. We're here to find the crashed Fallen catch.
The catch? Then why did you destroy the gorilla's barriers?
They were in my way. Moving bodies ain't exactly easy, you know.
So you were the one dragging them. What for?
To ask them where the catch is. But they wouldn't give me an answer. So I had to beat it out of them.
The Fallen can't even understand your question, let alone your taunts.
Please accept my sincerest apologies. I warned him not to destroy the barriers, but he just refuses to listen. But we really do need to get into that catch.
The place you're looking for is in the tunnels near the aeronautic campus. But why are you guys going there?
Ning Fei's headband causes him to hallucinate. And the solution lies in the catch. That's why. Ning Fei, apologize. Now. Ning Fei? Ning Fei? Ning Fei? Oh, this kid! Excuse me. Could you take me to Ning Fei, please? He must have headed there on his own.
Sure thing.
Ning Fei's headband causes him to hallucinate.
The tunnel's near the aeronautic campus. I see. Claudia always loves babbling on and on. She nearly talks my ear off. Ugh. Again? How dare you try to stop me? This must be the entrance to the catch.
Ning Fei!
Alas, I'll miss being free.
Thank you so much for your help. Let's resolve the headband issue first. We'll make amends for the barriers after we conclude our matters here.
Then we'll meet you at the station.
Ning Fei, when will you become a grown-up?
I am one.
Is that so? Then tell me, Mr. Grown-up. What is our plan?
The great journalist Ning Fei goes deeper into the catch to find the chip and get rid of his headaches.
And follow my orders?
Fair enough.
I can let bygones be bygones. But you need to listen to me from now on. If you start hallucinating, we retreat at once.
I'm not a quitter.
Any threat can be lethal to you while you're hallucinating.
You're making a fuss about nothing. See? The Fallen are no threat at all. What are you doing? What on earth is this place? And what's this? Whatever. See ya.
Destroy! More!
Claudia. Hey, you know which one is real, Bouncy Ball?
One more to go. Follow me.
How'd you get in here?
Those ruptures are back doors that I programmed into the headband. They enable me to assist you in the hallucination.
The same weird things I destroyed?
Exactly. Come on. We should retreat.
Why?
Because it's too dangerous.
This is my chance to get rid of the headband. I'm not leaving before I do it.
Now's not the time to be such a baby.
I must get that chip today.
You shouldn't proceed any further.
Hey! Open the door!
Go back! Now! Immediately! Right away! What's happening? A malfunction in the power system?
Looks like Lady Luck's on my side.
Ning Fei, listen! That path will only lead to trouble!
I don't think so.
Ning Fei!
Would you cut it out? Oversized eyeball? Okay. Playtime. Now where's one of those ruptures?
Keep up with me, kid.
How about that? I told you it was nothing dangerous.
Come out! The Fallen are here!
Then they'll have to wait for me.
I'm serious!
Come on. The Fallen are no biggie. Beat it! Are you all right?
I told you it was dangerous. Get out of here! No ifs, ands, or buts!
If you're so scared, why don't you just leave? I'll get the chip without you.
Very well. Have it your way.
Claudia?
Don't Claudia me. Didn't you say you would do it alone?
Fine. Let's see. It should be this button. What's with this junk? Even the slightest touch sets off the alarm. Piece of cake. We should be there before long. Here you are, oversized eyeball.
Oh no! It's another hallucination!
Again? Going to gouge your only eye out once I get out of here! you trying to scare, bouncy ball?
You are books of pain. Keep up.
Aren't I the one calling the shots?
You can't even open the door by yourself.
Claudia!
Hurry up! I can't hold out much longer.
What's going on out there? What the...
Wake up!
Claudia!
Ning Fei! Come to your senses, now!
Claudia? Watch out! Claudia! You alright?
Idiot. Next time, you're on your own.
Alright. You take a breather here. Just leave the rest to me. Now, I'm really pissed. You really do grind my gears, you know that? Stop! We're not done here! This is for Claudia! This is for me! Claudia, are you okay?
Am I okay? Working with a troublesome lightbearer like you, okay is hardly the word I'd use. Where's the chip?
Found it.
The data stream from the chip indeed matches the headband. It should be able to turn off the headband's illusions. Wait, it seems this chip can do much more than...
Let's get out of here first. Come on.
Ning Fei, are you keeping something from me?
No! I mean, this thing is going into my head. It's only fair that I keep it, okay?
Fine. Just don't lose it.
Of course, of course. At the end of the story, the investigative journalist Ning Fei and his camera operator Claudia successfully cracked the mystery of the haunted ship.
How about I shoot a photo album for you before we leave, this great journalist?
What are we going to do next?
Go to the space elevator. The analyzer there can help us understand the chip.
Then what are we waiting for?
I'm sure the place will be crawling with Fallen. That means you can't be fooling around like you were inside that catch.
What are you, my mom?
Do I have to force you to listen?
Ooh, I'm so scared.
You better be.
Please stop right there, sir. The area up ahead has been overrun by the Fallen. We can't let you go any further.
Huh. What are a few Fallen to me?
I'm telling you, it's really dangerous there.
You really think a Lightbearer is afraid of a few alien bandits? Let me through.
One moment, please. Just calm down.
Captain Mu Ying. I've got a Lightbearer here trying to force his way into the space elevator.
Ning Fei, what's your attitude?
What attitude?
Just be reasonable, would you?
Out of my way!
I don't want to do this.
Stop! Stop!
Are you going to do it again?
Make it stop! I won't! Promise!
Remember your promise.
Captain, you're here!
I'm Mu Ying, captain of the Jiangshi Metro Guerrillas.
Nice to meet you. I'm Claudia, and this is my Lightbearer, Ning Fei.
Wolf's told me about you two. Have you found that chip you were looking for?
Yes, but we need a device to analyze it. That's why we've come to the space elevator.
We've been seeing more fallen around since our barricades were destroyed, especially here. That's why we've blocked it off.
Ah, sorry. The barricades were his doing. We will be sure to make amends.
I'm glad to hear it. If you're looking for an analyzer, though, you've come to the wrong place. There are 2 of them in Jiangshi Metro, and both of them are at the Lanyue 5 factory. But there are serious power problems there. Not to mention the place is swarming with fallen. Due to some technical difficulties we've had recently, though, we need the analyzer as much as you do. So, if you bring the device back, we'll look past the barricade issue.
Of course.
Piece of cake.
Let's go, Ning Fei. The lights in here keep flickering. The entire place is on the fritz.
Hopefully it doesn't mess with the analyzer.
It'd be terrible if the power cut out halfway through.
Better that than your punishments.
What are you mumbling about?
I didn't say anything.
The electricity here is very unstable. I'll maintain it while you head inside. Make it quick, though.
Not a problem. Huh. Finally shook her off. You think you can sneak up on me? The eye of the storm open! Bingo. Just what we're looking for.
Welcome. I am Analyzer Type 3 AI. How may I help you? Apologies. I do not have the visual analysis capabilities necessary to evaluate the user's appearance. It is an electronic signal interceptor that, when installed, blocks all device functions.
Including punishments and hallucinations?
All functions.
Anything I should watch out for?
The chip has a built-in self-destruct mechanism. After inserting it into a device, it will self-destruct upon removal.
Any side effects?
None reported.
Luckily Claudia didn't notice. By the way, where's the analyzer core?
The core of this device is at the back. It can be removed for transport.
All right, let's see. It's right here. Once I hand this over, I don't owe Jiangshi anything anymore. I've got to take this for a test drive, though. Make sure it blocks her zapping. Claudia really cares about this request. If I...
How did it go? Any bumps in the road?
Oh, it seems busted. I'm checking if I can fix it.
Let me see. Oh, bummer. The core's been removed. Let's check the next one.
Just you wait until I...
What are you mumbling about again? You've been acting strange ever since we entered the facility.
No, I haven't.
If the chip does solve the headband problem,
I'll be free as a bird.
You'll have to learn some responsibility from Wolf, though. Got it?
And why on earth should I do that?
For your own good.
Okay, okay.
Hopefully there's nothing wrong with the second device.
It's our only chance to analyze the chip.
I have a bad feeling about this.
Don't be so negative.
We're getting close.
Time to get this party started.
The power's messed up here, too. Ning Fei, over there. Let me try to turn on the backup power. Fall in ambush. Cover me.
Leave it to me.
The backup power's unstable, too. I'll need to maintain it manually.
Finally.
Welcome. I am Analyzer Type 3 AI. How may I help you?
What are you dragging your feet for? You're not up to something again, are you? Are you out of your mind? Activate discipline! Huh? What's wrong with it? Discipline! Reboot!
You're wasting your time. The chip's blocking both the hallucinations and your punishments.
The chip's blocking permission. You already inserted it?
No, I just left it in my pocket. What else would I do?
Ning Fei, I am so disappointed in you. I've been racking my brain trying to find a way to solve the headband problem, to find the chip. Back on the catch, I even risked my life for you. And how do you thank me? You went behind my back. You even lied to me.
Because you're always punishing me like you're training some dog!
I only had to do that because you were out of line. You're impulsive and irritable. You don't listen to anyone, and you just do whatever pleases you. You destroyed the device and Jiangshi Metro's hopes along with it.
I didn't!
That's enough. I don't want to see you again.
Whatever.
There you are.
You're looking for me? What do you want?
To help you finish what you started. Paying back your debt to Jiangshi.
What are you talking about? I don't owe him anything.
Don't play dumb. Where's that analyzer core?
If that's what you're after, then you're too late. I smashed that machine to smithereens.
Is that so?
What do you mean?
Zev and I paid a visit to Lanyue 5, you know. One of those analyzers was busted up, but the other was just missing its core.
I don't know what you're on about.
The Jiangshi Metro gorillas really do need that machine, you know. And it's not like you can do anything with its core. You took it from Wu Ying to begin with, didn't you?
That doesn't sound like me.
How about I buy you another round? Will you hand it over then?
Claudia didn't tell you? She never lets me drink.
What's this got to do with her?
She's the one who sent you here, wasn't she?
Of course she did. She believes in you. She told me you're not actually a bad guy, and that you'd likely prepared something before breaking that analyzer. So? Was she right?
Here, take it. Now that my debt's paid, you can get out of my hair.
How about I buy you that drink first? What Claudia doesn't know won't hurt her.
Let me guess. There's something else. Come on, let's hear it.
The Fallen kidnapped some Jiangshi residents, and there are energy fluctuations nearby. Ones that are similar to your headbands.
What the... You serious?
100%.
Fine. I'll go check it out. Itching for a good fight.
I got you some help, by the way.
I don't need it.
Trust me, you will.
Wolf says you need help.
I know. Talk about a busybody.
So you gave the core to Jiangshi Metro in the end.
What's it to you?
I suppose you're not entirely rotten.
Glad you finally see it. All right, hand him over, alien scum.
Go check the devices here. There might be records left. Those are chips? A shame they're broken.
Things can never be easy, can they? What is all this? What do these do?
Stop!
What's happening?
Don't touch them!
What's that?
So the Fallen did bring those people here. But why?
So, what exactly are we looking at?
A holographic recording. Unfortunately, the projector is terribly damaged. Some images won't show. I'll see if I can fix it. What are the Fallen putting on their heads?
Headbands.
The material's the same. And so are the energy fluctuations. Same as yours, no doubt about it.
The Fallen are bringing people here to fit them with the headbands. But for what?
According to the holographic record, they went that way. The civilians! Oh no, they're being teleported away! Haven't you already defeated that servitor?
If it's back for more, I'm happy to oblige. Slow like lightning?
It's trying to escape!
Stop right there and hand over the civilians. You think you overgrown bugs can stop me? A cakewalk.
Go check what's left of that servitor. See if there are any clues. It looks like a defect. A kit bashed together. Huh? It's an access code? Let's take it back and try.
These are my last words and my final confession. I am a scientist and also a sinner. The experiment I'm involved in requires a great deal of clinical data. Rats, rabbits, even people. But the brutality of the sensory enhancement experiment was far beyond my prediction. In order to communicate with the traveler's consciousness, we tried enhancing the subject's senses. But the pain caused by this enhancement would trigger fierce resistance. So they added a punishment function to control them with even more intense pain. However, Subject 305 never stopped resisting, no matter what he was subject to. What they were doing was too cruel. I wanted to call off the experiment, but no one else agreed. As for Subject 305, he was a sharp child. He even found a hole and led a group of his fellow subjects to escape. I helped them open the door to the exit, but they still failed. I didn't know what awaited them. All I knew was the unfortunate fate befalling me. My colleagues soon discovered that I'd helped them. I was secretly imprisoned at Jiangshi Metro and became a specimen myself, all because of this mistake. I had the honor of feeling that pain firsthand. Ironically, my question was finally answered after experiencing the experiment myself. It turns out that pain is a pheromone. The headband enhances this pheromone and uploads it into the same space of consciousness. The pain is then shared among us all, and I can't take it any longer. Farewell. I hope that, through death, I can atone.
Subject 305, Ning Fei. It's your nameplate. You.
Give me a moment.
All right. I'll contact Wolf and Zev. Zev, we ran into some trouble out here. I'll need your help.
Come to the bonfire. Wolf and I are here.
What happened?
We found the civilians. Unfortunately, we lost them, but we got some other leads. We found out more about the headbands.
Are they the same as Ning Fei's?
Yes. He was wearing this one when I first resurrected him.
Sounds like that thing's old school then.
Probably. The abandoned building I found Ning Fei in was certainly well past its prime. It looked to have been a research facility, but the Fallen destroyed it beyond recognition. And inside was filled with corpses. Some with headbands, some without. It was a horrendous scene. As for Ning Fei, he was wearing one of them.
What does that mean?
It means I was a test subject, a lab rat, a guinea pig. Call it what you like.
We found one of the researcher's last words back at Jiangshi Metro. As he described it, the headband is a sensory amplifier. Which means it's also a tool used to intensify pain.
What were they using these things for?
To establish communication with the traveler's consciousness. A bunch of lunatics, if you ask me.
Isn't that the speaker's gig?
Artificially creating speakers. It's insane. Maybe even heresy.
So the Fallen are picking up where they left off.
They want to make their own speaker?
I don't know, but lunacy isn't exclusive to humans.
Do you think it's actually possible?
The illusion of communication with the traveler is just a space of consciousness formed by pain. The subject's consciousness enters it when the headband's activated.
So Ning Fei, you've been inside?
At least you're free from it now.
We can't let the Fallen turn those people into their lab rats. Where do we even begin searching for them, though?
I have an idea.
What is it?
I can find them. That space of consciousness is like a common thread, connecting us all. If I can get back in there, I can find their minds and...
No! It's too risky! There's got to be another way.
This is something only I can do. And Subject 305's already done it once, hasn't he?
But... Ning Fei?
He must have gone to search.
I can't let him rush headfirst into danger. Not alone.
Then let's go provide him backup.
I'm picking up energy fluctuations from Ning Fei's headband. He should be nearby. over there. It's Ning Fei.
Headband synchronized. Experiment proceeding.
Oh, that kid! He's really going in!
Final preparations complete. Please remove the chip.
Ning Fei, stop right there! Oh, you little...
Jackpot. I'm in. Now to find those civilians. Hey, where are the Fallen keeping you?
It hurts.
Hey, wake up! Where have you been taken?
I'm right here. But where is here? Am I really here? Are you really here?
It's a waste of time.
Save me.
Tell me, where were you taken before you came here?
Space. Elevator. Bottom.
The base of the elevator shaft? That servitor's haunting the place like a ghost. Looks like it's time to get out of here.
Ning Fei, ruptures. You know.
Of course I know.
Follow me, Ning Fei. Ning Fei, are you okay?
The Fallen took their victims to the space elevator.
Zev, call for backup. Looks like our fire team's heading in for round 2.
There's no time. Ning Fei saw the civilians in the consciousness space, which means the Fallen's experiment must be underway.
Let me go. I'll teach those aliens that our minds aren't theirs to chain up.
We can get the civilians out of there together.
Send us the coordinates once you locate them. I'll get them out safely.
All right, let's head out.
Ning Fei, are you at the elevator?
Just wait for my signal.
Unbelievable.
What?
I never thought I'd see the day you risk your life to help others.
Guess all your naggings finally got to me.
Good to know your ears aren't just for show.
You scumbags!
There they are. Oh, the first group of civilians is at the entrance to the elevator shaft.
Roger that.
Ning Fei, earlier I noticed that the chip was...
Destroyed.
You mean... you...
It's just a stupid chip. And I couldn't connect to the others with it in place. No big deal.
You're looking more and more the part of a hero.
Ew. Knock that off. have what it takes to stop me?
Wolf, the second group is in the generator room.
Be right there.
You again?
Flow like lightning, strike like me.
Guess you just couldn't get enough of me, huh?
Come on. We should go check on the people we rescued.
A legendary battle. But my victory wasn't epic.
All clear in there, Ning Fei?
Do you even have to ask?
The civilians are all still unconscious.
They're probably just in shock. Give them a bit and they should come to.
Well, my work here's done. See ya.
You won't let them see who saved them?
Nope. Not my kind of thing.
Wolf sent a message. Do you want to read it?
What do they want this time?
Oh, don't be like that. It's a thank you from those people you rescued.
Why'd Wolf have to go and tell them?
How does it feel to be a hero?
Weird. I'm not cut out for that kind of stuff.
Well, regardless, you did impress me this time. It's just a pity that your chip...
It's broken. Kaput. Nothing worth dwelling on.
Do you still have it?
Yeah? What for?
I just want to see if there's a chance to fix it. After all, we went through so much.
Here. Just leave it. It's no use.
But this is the last intact one.
Is that so?
Maybe there's a similar chip elsewhere. Where there's a will, there's a way. We've just got to keep looking.
Why bother?
Aren't you the one always crying for freedom?
Well, well, well. Would you look at what I've got here?
You... Where did you get this?
Did a little searching around Jiangshi's labs, and what do you know? Turns out not all the chips are busted. Fortunately, I had some alone time to search. All thanks to you.